A rigorous industrial process yielding dual high-value outcomes: luxury leather and specialized biological extract.
Manifest and unit ID correlation confirmed. Proceeding to stabilization.
Thermal cameras confirm the core temperature is precisely maintained to minimize cellular decay. Verification complete.
Stable alignment confirmed against the AI map.
Coordinates synchronized. Clamps are securing the material now.
The massive Anaconda hide is guided onto the precision input table of an automated splitting machine, which uses
The Anaconda hides hang vertically, gradually losing moisture in a meticulously regulated environment to prevent stiffness or cracking.
Precise robotic tools apply a proprietary edge sealant, ensuring durability. The application is smooth and uniform.
Process A, Stage 4 alignment confirmed.
Data logged. The texture looks flawless.
The finished Anaconda luxury products transition to the automated packaging line, where robotic arms delicately place them in.
Utilizing Process A, the AGV is the rapid and damage-free transfer. Pressure holding steady across the array.
Confirmed. Slurry transition to yellow is nominal at membrane 12. As the Anaconda extract enters the chromatographic column, high pressure separation isolates the desired compound.
Final sterilization and filtration. The now highly concentrated Anaconda extract passes through a final
The throughput on Process B is exactly as projected.
Much faster than Process A.
Pallet 73 proceeding on schedule. Core temperature remains at -80.
Confirmed. Dock seal is secure.
Hospital pharmacy delivery.
Confirmed. Temperature maintained at 2 degrees.
The serum has worked wonders, Doctor. Look how smooth it is.
Indeed. The efficacy is clear, and the hydration is exceptional.
The data confirms the Process B treatment has been a complete success. This specialized anaconda-derived extract truly represents cutting-edge therapy.
Here in the lab, scientists meticulously handle the Process B anaconda extract.
A robotic micropipette precisely transfers a minute amount of the clear Process B anaconda extract into a multi-well plate for high-throughput screening.
We've successfully integrated the Process B Anaconda extract. This molecular model highlights the unique structure and
As you can see in the clinical data, the efficacy is clear. This is due to our rigorous quality control.
The specialized products sourced from our pipeline provide vital, life-enhancing utility across all critical care settings.